The long-anticipated phone call is just around the corner, and your specific person is preparing to contact you. Through this meditation, you will create a lasting and powerful impression that will remain etched in their memory. While headphones can enrich the experience, they aren't essential. What's most important is choosing a tranquil space where you can be free from interruptions, giving yourself the opportunity to fully commit to these moments of personal well-being. Throughout this meditation, you will encounter a sequence of powerful affirmations. It's crucial to accept these statements as truths in your life without overthinking their feasibility or doubting how they might come to fruition. Embrace them fully and without hesitation. Keep in mind that the beliefs you nurture shape the reality you live by. By sincerely embracing these affirmations, you will come to see that they resonate with your true self. Every word that reverberates within your mind will harmonize with the frequency your soul yearns for, weaving the threads of destiny into a fresh design. When the boundless energy of the universe aligns with your inner conviction, true miracles unfold. Each affirmation, like a whispered touch to your core, will draw you nearer to your most authentic self. The trust that blossoms in the deepest, quietest corners of your heart will illuminate your path, guiding your life under the tender glow of that light. Now take a slow, deep breath and breathe in calmly through your nose. And exhale softly through your mouth. You will soon hear a series of affirmations as they flow. Still your mind and welcome them with an open heart, free of judgment. Let your breath synchronize with the natural cadence of your being, and as your heart opens, let each word bring you serenity. This is the beginning of your inner journey. With every breath you draw in, invite the infinite energy of the universe. With every exhale, release any lingering worries. Cherish the sanctity of this moment and envelop your thoughts in love. Here are your affirmations. Allow them to sink deeply into your consciousness. The person I wish to hear from reaches out to me with ease, precisely when I desire it. Connecting with them feels seamless and natural. I occupy their thoughts consistently, drawing them to reach out. Each morning, I find messages and missed calls from them, reflecting their longing to be close to me and their commitment to deepening our bond. There is an undeniable urgency within them to communicate with me. With every breath they take, their thoughts become more centered on me, keeping me vividly alive in their mind. They come to me with profound love and unwavering devotion. Every move we make aligns with the universe's flow, binding our hearts with invisible threads. Each time I cross their thoughts, it is a sign of fate quietly moving us forward. This love resonating within our minds fortifies our connection and draws us nearer with every moment. The more they sense my presence, the clearer it becomes that our hearts are beginning to beat in unison. Staying connected with the person I care about has seamlessly become a natural part of my everyday life. Anticipating their gestures toward me feels simple and assured. I move through each day with the certainty that I will hear from them, and this certainty shapes my reality. I know that I hold the most significant place in their life, a true mirror of who I am. I live with a sense of calm and comfort, welcoming calls, messages, and every form of communication from the one I love, free from any expectations. This connection enters my life like a river, naturally following the course set by the universe and filling me with a profound sense of peace. I cherish every moment, knowing that their presence adds depth and meaning to all my experiences. My very being plants itself in their heart like a seed that takes root and blossoms more vibrantly each day. This bond, perfectly attuned to the harmony of the universe, constantly pulls us closer to one another. Thank you for joining this meditation. If this video resonated with you, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments not only supports us, but also helps strengthen our community. Always remember that each moment brings a fresh start, and everything you wish for is already on its way into your life. May your day be filled with love and light. Thank you for being here and sharing this moment with us. And if you'd like to discover how to invite that call in just 60 seconds, be sure to try our 1-minute meditation next. It works instantly to bring your special person straight to your phone.